Oh, yeah, I forgot. Here.
Is it for me?
Yeah. Sorry, it fell out of my hands.
Sure it did.
Oh,
it's
wrong.
diapers? Oh, we got diapers.
That was your special present. Open it up.
Well, keep opening it. See what's in there. It might not be diapers.
No, Tom, we had to use a diaper box for it because it came from Amazon.
Yeah. Shane and Andy said we need diapers for when they come.
Oh.
Yeah, forget it. There's no reusing that. Hey, it's the Incredible Hulk over here. He said he's going to get his vengeance with this box. Whatever that means. I hope so.
It's a gift.
It's a gift.
Inside of the box.
It's like delivering a baby.
Ouch! No! Okay.
There you go. I'm telling you, this is like birthing a child.
Jeez!
Sorry, dude.
I love you guys so much.
Oh, wait. You're going to love us more. Wait a minute. Open it.
I can't.
Huh?
Yeah. I told you we had to get you a C. We couldn't afford anything else.
What?
Our S is cheaper.
Our S is cheaper.
I don't care. No.
Here.
Is this a 6?
It is. We'll figure it out.
He says, where's the off button?
Oh, right here. It's
I'm
on
like,
the side.
we don't even have one of those phones, so we don't
Put
know
it back,
how to
honey. Put it back in there. We'll take care. Put it back right where it was. Okay. Put the lid back on. We'll fix it in a little bit. Okay.
iPhone 6 and an iPad mini. Oh, look. Ooh, nice stuff.
And Merry Christmas, Tom.
Yeah, but better. Yeah. Is that a 6 or 6? No,
That's a 6.